Hello. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from ClickBank. So let's start the main video. First, go to clickbank.com and log into your ClickBank account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your ClickBank dashboard, where you can see your earnings. Next, click on your account nickname at the top right corner. Then click on Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find all your account-related options like payment information, user info, and preferences. Now, scroll down and find the Payment Information section. Click on the Edit button next to it. This is where you can choose your payment method, payment frequency, and threshold. ClickBank offers multiple payment options. Choose your preferred option. Now, you can set your payment threshold. This means how much you want to earn before ClickBank sends your payout. The minimum threshold is usually $10, but you can increase it if you want to receive larger payments at once. Next, select how often you want to receive payments, weekly or bi-weekly. Most people prefer weekly payments to get their commissions faster. After selecting your method, threshold, and frequency, scroll down and click Save Changes. ClickBank will ask you to confirm with your password. Enter it and confirm. Now that your payment settings are saved, ClickBank will send your earnings automatically once you reach your payment threshold. If you chose Payoneer or wire transfer, it usually takes 1 to 5 business days to receive the funds. To verify your withdrawals, go back to the Reports tab and click on Payment History. Here, you can see all your past payouts, dates, and payment methods. And that's it. Thanks for watching.